Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your reading the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine for the twin flame journey who are not in contact with. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you what are the messages from your divine masculine, okay, what they want to tell you and what are the next steps they want to take, what are the blockages and the signs and many more things in this video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. I hope it resonates with you, but if it not resonating with you, you can skip it out because this is the general collective messages and the energies which I am picking up, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Please help me out. Guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What are the messages from the divine masculine? What they want to tell to divine feminines? What are the messages? They want to tell so many things. Okay, divine feminines. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? See, they want to say so many things, okay? They want to say so many things, okay? I'm not going to take these cards because these are too many cards. Okay, so they want to say you that no one compares to you, divine feminines, and you can read my mind, okay? No one can compares you and you can read my minds. You sound sexy over the phone, so they like your voice, okay? Then there is I have known you in often lifetimes. So this is what they want to say you. I love you infinite and you will be forever be my always. I love you infinite and you will be forever be mine always. Then they want to tell you that you love me. You love me. We will be together again, okay? We will be together again. So that's what they want to tell you, divine feminines. I feel badly for the way that I treated you. You did not deserve that. So they are feeling very bad that they have treated you very badly and they know that you did not deserve that, okay, divine feminines. I am feeling the consequences of my actions, okay? They are already going through a lot of things, the lot of consequences about their actions, whatever actions or decisions they have taken. So they are feeling the consequences of their action and they are ready for the new beginning. I am ready for our new beginnings, okay? So I am ready for our new beginning. These are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages, more messages from the divine masculine, what they want to tell. What are the messages? What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What they want to tell divine feminine? What are the messages? Is there any other message they want to say to the divine feminines? Any other message they want to say, to tell? They want to say a lot of things actually. I'm not going to take it. Okay. I need more time, okay? They are saying that they need more time here. Okay, thank you for loving me unconditionally. Wow, thank you for loving me unconditionally. There is, I am healing my inner child. So they are doing their inner work, they are doing their healing, and they know that they have to heal their inner child. And they want to tell you that you have triggered my spiritual awakening. Beautiful. That's why they say you that no one compares you. Okay, divine feminines, you have triggered their spiritual awakening. Your picture brings me tears. They are missing you. They are seeing your pictures, and once they see your pictures, the pictures bring tears in their eyes. I want to hold your body close to mine. They are missing you here. Can you see? That's why they want to say a lot of things here. I want to hold your body close to mine. Your picture brings me tears here. You would be so proud of me if you know how far I have come. They are going through a lot of things. They are working on their inner work. They're healing. They're doing their inner work. Okay, they're doing their healing, and they want to tell you that you will be proud, divine feminines, about how they have come, how far they have come. Okay, so yes, these are the messages from your divine masculine. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Twin Flame Tarot deck. And if you wish to buy any of these decks I have made myself. Okay, so you can let me know in the comment section, or you can contact me on my email ID, that is divinebornangel@gmail.com. Okay, I will let you know how you can buy these decks. Okay, let's see what are the messages for this reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for this reading of divine masculine to the divine feminine for the twin flame for the March 2021? What are the messages? No, too many messages. What are the messages? Any other message you want me to deliver? You have to keep your hope, divine feminines, or if there is divine masculine who is watching here, you have to keep your hope with you. Okay, nothing is impossible. There is always a light, so keep your hope with you. So the first message for you is galactic downloads, ascension light codes, upgrades. Okay, so upgradation is going on in you, going on inside of you. Okay, galactic downloads are happening, upgrades are happening inside of you, in divine masculine or the divine feminine. But light codes, ascension light codes are happening. Ascension is happening here. Then there is denial. Are you in denial of something? Okay, you have to ask yourself, divine masculine or the divine feminine, are you in denial of something? Then there is memories. Listen to your subtitles, subtle messages. See, I told you they are missing you a lot, divine feminines. They are looking at your pictures, the memories which they have shared with you here. So yes, and even you can feel that messages here. That's why the messages that listen to your system subtitle messages. Then there is meditation, going within to bring clarity and insights to your meditation, so that you can bring clarity and more, insights for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Okay, what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminine? Okay, what are the messages you want me to deliver to the divine feminine? What are the messages from the universe to the divine feminine? What are the messages to the divine feminine? What are the messages? Okay. lot of fives. See, 3 5s are here. Okay, engage in spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. Okay, you have to do your cleansing, energy cleansing of body, mind and soul. 14 is 5 here. Become more self aware is 5 here. And there is write your thoughts and innermost desires in a journal. 3 and 2 5, lot of 5 is here. So yes, big positive changes are coming for you, divine feminines. Then there is learn to forgive yourself and others. Okay, you have to forgive yourself and others. And there is 3 4 5. Okay, never dim your light for anyone else. Can you see 3? There is 3 4 5. So yes, ascension is happening for you. You are moving in a forward direction. You are getting a better version of yourself. You are moving in a forward direction. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the blockages in your twin flame journey. Let's see what are the blockages. Karmic lover. Okay, so either divine feminines, you are dealing with a karmic lover, or the divine masculines are dealing with a karmic lover. Okay, so let's see. But someone is dealing with a karmic lover. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, what are the blockages for this reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Over emotional. Okay, either divine feminines, you are over emotional, or the divine masculine is over emotional, but someone is over emotional here. Then there is perfectionist, so that is a blockage here. Then there is change your perspective. You need to see the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, from a different angle, from a different perspective. 1221 was the recording reading time. Change your perspective, divine masculine or the divine feminines, whoever you are watching. Then there is workaholic. There is someone who is very workaholic, and here I'm having businessman or businesswoman here. Okay, can you see? There is businessman or a businesswoman, and there is workaholic. So someone is here who is a businessman or a businesswoman. So these are the blockages on which you have to work on. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the signs? Any other sign? I'm not going to take it. All wants to come out. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take it. There can be a Leo here you are dealing with. There is Leo. There is Scorpio. Then there is Gemini. There is Taurus. Capricorn. Here. There is Aries and Virgo. There is Cancer and Libra. Here. So these are the signs which you may be dealing with or watching here with this video. Let's see what are the messages from the angels. What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Give me the messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver? See, ascension. Yes, you are moving in ascension here. Ascension is taking place. You have cleared this lifetime milestones, and now angels say that this is a time for your ascension. Your soul evolution has begun, and you will reach on a higher level of consciousness. So this was the meaning of ascension here. See. So let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages. See, again the same message is here, meditation. You have to do your meditation, divine masculine or the divine feminine. Do your meditations here. Angels wants you to connect with your true self by going within. Consecrate a space at home for meditation. Do your meditation. That's a very clear message. Then there is a power, or the power of prayers. Angel ask you not to get disheartened by the current situation in your life. They assure you that your prayers will be answered soon. Continue to prayer with faith and intensity. Okay, so keep praying. Don't get disheartened if it is not happening in the current situation. There is major shift which is coming for you. I told you 555 was there. There is a major shift which is happening for you, and just indicate you are a junction in life where you need to decisive, as there will be a major shift in your life. Pray to the angels to give you strength and help you go through this phase gracefully. So there is a major shift which is coming for you. Okay, any other message you want me to deliver? That's it. There is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael wants you to move away from your current unhealthy eating habits and make conscious efforts to distance yourself from your cravings and addictions in order to avoid major health problems. So you have to eat healthy as much as you can. If you're having any kind of addictions, move away from that. Okay, so that's a message from Archangel Raphael. They want to eat, asking you to eat healthy. Okay, so that's the message. And there is light worker. Angels have selected you to be their light worker by spreading joy, hope and happiness in the lives of your soul group. Be a beacon of light and dispel the darkness from their lives. So many of you are the light workers. You are here with the soul mission to spread light, joy, happiness, okay, love, peace. So just you have to work on your soul purpose here. You are the light workers. Okay, you are the light, you are the beacon of light. You are here to spread light. So you have to work on your soul group. If you are working, if you have to, remove the darkness from the lives of your soul groups. Then there is unlearn. As the saying goes, old habit dies hard. Angels ask you to identify and unlearn your old habits and ideas that are holding back your soul progression. So there are some kind of old habits which you are continuing it. You have to go within yourself and you have to release that old habits. You have to get over from these old habits. Okay, then there is responsibility. Angels say it is a time for you to take responsibility for your own action, flaws and failures. It is futile to blame others. Okay, so take actions, take responsibilities for your actions, which is the message I'm getting for this. Thank you angels for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the angel guides. What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Divine timing wants to come out. So divine timing, according to the divine timing, things will happen accordingly. You have to trust the divine timing. Okay, any other message? Wow, beautiful messages for you. There is divine timing which is there. You have to trust the divine plan. Okay, divine timing, because this is a divine journey. Things will happen according to the divine timing. Okay, then there is manifestation. This is a card which I got in my today's every reading, in every video. Okay, so you are doing your manifestation and some kind of manifestation is coming true for you, and keep manifesting here. Then there is angelic protection, beautiful and very powerful. You are having angelic protection with you, so do not worry, keep moving in a forward direction. Okay, keep going, keep moving in a forward direction. Beautiful. Thank you angels for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages here from this deck for the reading. I don't read reversals. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for this reading. A wealthy man. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages for this reading which I want? No, lot of messages. What are the messages? This wants to come out again. Okay. Some of you are going to start a new chapter of your life, or you are going to travel somewhere. Journey is indicated here. So yes, you are going to travel somewhere, okay? Or if you're not traveling physically, then there is a new chapter of your life which is going to start here. There is a wealthy man here who is wearing a false mask. False person is here. That's why the karmic lover was there. Someone is dealing with a karmic lover, okay? This can be a karmic lover here. Which is wearing a false person. This can be a male or female, but someone is dealing with a karmic one, the false person. Then there is child. Either you are having a child with your divine masculine or the divine feminine, or the other meaning is that you have to do your healing of inner child, okay? That's what the divine masculine was saying, okay? 2112 was the recording reading time. They are doing the healing of the inner child is here. You have to make room for the new love, make room, make space for the love which is coming for you. And there is mature woman who is involved in your life, okay, which will help you out here. And there is change. See, again the change is coming for you, that is for sure. Change is coming for you, that is for sure. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages. What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminines? And it wants to come out the sun. New happy beginnings. They want to start a new happy beginnings with you, divine feminines. They want to start new happy beginnings with you. What are the next steps they want to take towards divine feminine? What are the things they want to do towards divine feminine? What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? What are the next steps? What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? What are the next steps? Again the perspective is here, okay? So you have to see the picture from a different perspective here, okay? Divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching here. Wow. Change your life. See, change your life is here. They want to take the change. The change is coming for you, that is for sure. Okay. New happy beginnings are coming for you. 2323 was the recording reading time. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginning. They want to start a new happy beginning with you. You are the hope, new hopes, new desires which are coming for you. The star is here, so you give them new hopes, new desires. There is change your life, okay? A sudden revelation that offers freedom, break free of procrastination, embrace the opportunity that change brings. See, change is coming for you. Change your life. This is the Tower card here, so change is coming for you, that is for sure. And there is 8 of swords here. They are feeling restricted, but they will get out of this energy here. They cannot move in a forward direction right now, but they will move in a forward direction because they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulder here. 10 of Wands, okay? So they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulders. And you need to change your perspective. There is always a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different here. So you have to change your perspective here. Then there is Ace of Cups. See, in other I do Aquarius reading. So in Aquarius reading also, this is a cup which is full of emotions, okay? Emotional fulfillment. They want to offer you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions. So they want to give all the emotions to the divine feminines, a positive new emotional experience, fulfilling romantic relationships, deep and lasting spiritual insights. Okay, so they want to offer you cup which is full of emotions. So this was the steps they want to take towards you. So this was the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.